Una done my people for anywhere in the world wey dey take watch my video. I greet you. I don carry introduction to Excel. Come your domot. My name na Omobolanle Adedeji and I be dat your pidgin teacher wey dey teach you anything wey concern data analytics and making money for dis online. Make I no too waste your time. Make we carry go inside Excel right now. So my people, as we promise for the other video say we go continue from where we stop. So where we stop na im be dis alignment. We don do clipboard, we don do font, we don do alignment. So the next one na number. And to do number, e get some things wey be say we go need. As you see am now, I don write some things put for here wey be say na number. If you look at dis place now, you go see say some things dey there wey be say e dey do hash hash hash, and then some things dey wey be say na number. Make we start from there. So from there now, dat thing dey show you say the cell e too small for the thing wey you write put for here. So as I stretch am now, you see am now, everything don go hash hash again. So if I stretch am now, the number don show. Dat hash hash dey show you say the cell too small for the thing wey you wan do. So the next thing wey I go do now, I go come do recap of wetin we do for previous video. I go click on dis one now. I go long press am. I go hold on to the mouse, na im be the meaning of long press. I go hold on to the mouse, come drag am reach where I want. You fit drag am pass here o, anyhow wey you want. But for dis one now, na here we want. F na here, na for F we go stop am. Now, as I stop for F now, I don select everything now. I go come click on merge and center. You see now say Bola Enterprise don come middle now. Na im be say I don merge all the cell. Dat line for the cell e no dey show again. I don merge and center all the cell. I fit come here now, come pick any font wey I want. Anyone at all. E dey plenty. Like I talk for my other video, some dey wey be say dem dey follow your laptop come. Some you go download am, some you go buy am. And then I don click dis one now. I fit come bold am, I fit italize am, e don bend. I fit underline am. And no be the thing wey I wan do be dat. So I go come click here, do undo, or I fit press Ctrl Z. So I don do Ctrl Z to do undo. So now I don bold dis one now. Now I fit come here now, come increase the size. You see now say the size don increase as I click on dat number. I go come here now, come give am colour. Make we imagine say the company wey we dey work with, their colour na green. So I don turn the colour to green. But if you look the green wey I fill dat place with, and the writing of Bola Enterprise, e no too gel, no too show like dat. I go come here for dis place, I go come click white colour. You fit click any colour wey you want o. See, if I put dis yellow now, e fine. Dis one now, you fit do any colour wey you want. Make I click dis one. Make we imagine say their colour na green and yellow. So you see am now say e don gel well well, e don bold, e don fine. So the next thing na to come to dis place now. Now I go come drag dis place again like we do for dat one. So to do dis one now, I fit bold am now. If I bold am now, everything wey I select na im go bold. Everything wey see am now, I don italize, everything don bend, everything don underline. But no be the thing wey we wan do be dat one. So I don bold am now. I fit come increase the number too reach maybe 12, dat kind thing. I fit come here come change the font too, right? Dat one na you go determine wetin you wan do. But no be the thing wey I wan do be dat one. So I don comot am. Now as I don do dis one now, everything wey I dey do, e dey affect everything wey I select, right? So the next thing now be say some of dis thing if you see dis one now, product ID, we no dey see the ID. Dis one now, production date, na only production we dey see, even the tron sef e no complete. So now to show dis thing well well, I go come click here, select everything again, come wrap text, see everything don happen. I fit do am one one o, control Z make I show you. So if I click dis one now, only dis one go wrap, the rest no wrap. If I click dis one now, dis one, only dis one go wrap, the rest no go wrap. But no be so we wan do am, I go undo again. Click, long press, click on your mouse, no leave am, drag am, and den come do everything. So everything go come happen for once. Now I go come dey adjust am wey be sey e go fit wetin I want. So now if you look am now, everything dey up up, only dis one dey down. I go come click dis center, so dis one sef don dey up, don match up with im mate. Dis one sef we fit give am colour o. I go come give am one light green now. See am now, e don dey fine ba. So the next thing wey we go do now na to come here now. Dis product ID, I no give am number because I wan take am teach una something. So now I go come write one, click the next one, write two, write three. But imagine sey we dey go 1000 abi 10,000 or 1,000,000. You go come dey write am one 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 one. E go reach one stage you go tire. So now to avoid dat thing now, I go come here now, come drag dis one down like dis o. If you look am before I drop am, you go see sey one three dey show, one number dey show there. As I dey move am, the three dey follow am. And na im be sey if I drop am now, the three go write for everything. You see am? So e fit be sey you wan copy something, you wan write am for everywhere. So let's say I wan write dis bubu, I wan make bubu full everywhere. Now I go come click dis bubu. Remember how we take do control C for copy? And den you fit come here come click on copy. And den you go come here, come do control V. Bubu don dey here. And den you fit come here come click come paste, click on dis space. If you see am e don show control V. The plus wey dey for middle, no be sey you go press control and press plus come press V o. No, you go just press control and V. So bubu don dey for here now. So you go come drag am like dis now. So if you drag am now, bubu don reach everywhere. Na im be sey you don copy am put for everywhere, but no be the thing wey we wan do be dat. I go press control Z. Control Z na undo. So now as I don leave am now, see as I leave am now, something dey here wey dey show for here. If you look very well, you go see sey e don write am autofill option. You go come here now, come click dis place. You go see dis one wey say fill series. You go come click am. Remember fill series, you go come click am like dis. E don already turn everything to normal normal number, right? So you don see am now, we don autofill dis one now. E don reach number 18, na im be the customer ID. Now the next thing wey I wan do now na dis production date now. If you look the date, e dey somehow. Some country dem dey put month for front, dem dey put, some dey put day for front. So now for your data to be equal, to be the same thing everywhere for the world, you fit change your formatting. Now if you wan change your formatting now, you don click dis one now. If you see dis place now, e write general. If you click am, general e mean no specific format. Dis one number, dis one currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, and so on and so forth. You fit click dis place come see more options. See more options for here now, right? Now for dis one now, wetin we wan edit na date. If you click on short date, e don put am for here. If you click long date, see wetin e write now. E don write Saturday 12 June, blah blah blah. E fit be na the thing wey you want be dis, and e fit be say no be the thing wey you want be dis, but you see am now say dis one na long date. E write am, e put Saturday, e put 12th, the day, e put the day, e put the date, put the month, put the year. As you see am, na im be long date. So if you come go short date, na im be dis one now. You still fit come edit am. Click dis place now. See now, see dis small arrow wey dey here now. If you click am now, e dey for date. E come dey ask you say how you wan take do your date. You fit pick any of dis one. Dis one, na dis one dey there, you fit change am to dis one, right? If you click am now, see as e be now. Na your choice. Dis one now na here start am. Any one wey you want na im you go do. So I go leave am like dis now. So now we don format the date like dat. Dis one now, we go come dis place now. Dis one sef e dey for general. You fit click dis one now. So if as I click now, e don put comma for everything now. So e dey show now say make I undo am now. See as e dey like dis now, some of you go go near your computer dey count zero, you go come dey do 1, 2, 3. But if you put comma now, e don easy. You don see am say na 40,000 dis one be. Now you fit come here, increase the zero wey dey behind your number. You see say the zero don turn to 3. As I click am now, e don turn to 4. And den you fit come here come reduce am to 2, and you fit comot everything at all wey be say na you no go get decimal point, right? But as na price, e possible say person buy dis bubu now for 40,000 20 kobo. So most of the time, we dey leave dis kobo for anything wey be price. And den for your own editing, you fit determine say you no want am. Now dis thing na price, but we no know whether na naira o, na dollar, na pound, na euro, na yen, we no know. So we go come dis place again, come put currency. As me I be Nigerian now, e don help me put naira for here. You fit come here come change your own comot for normal, see currency now. You fit come change your own to see all the currency wey dey. You see am, you fit change am to any currency wey you like. You go come change am. For me, I wan leave my own as naira as I be Nigerian. So you don see am now. Now the same thing now, we go come dis quantity now, come do the same thing. For dis quantity now, we go come put comma. Comma don dey here now. As quantity no dey get point, I go comot the point for quantity. As we don reach here now, the next thing wey you fit take dis number do na how to now do add o, plus o, everything. You go come do dat one now. So now, dis product now, if you wan add everything together, I go come here now. E get one magic sign wey we dey use for Excel, na im be equal sign. Anything wey you wan do, if you never put equal sign, Excel no go see am say you wan do calculation. So you go click on your equal sign for your keyboard. I don press my own now, you don see am. But e still get some things wey be sey you go still tell excel so dat excel go know sey na the thing wey you wan do be dis one now. So now we wan add all dis thing for excel, and all of us know sey anything wey we dey add dem dey call am sum. So you go come click sum for here, you go type sum. See am now, excel don write dat sum for here. E get many many things wey you fit do but make we focus on dis sum now, dis one now. You go come press your tab, you don put am there. If you look am now, excel don put bracket for here. You fit dey press am one by one one by one You see now as I press dis one now, e put D20 because dis thing dey for D, dis thing dey for 20. Remember when we talk about cell say na combination of row and column na im make one cell. So now as you write am now, e don tell you say na the thing wey you click na D20 e dey. So now you fit press your plus. To press your plus, dat side wey you go see say plus na and equal na im dey for the same thing, right? If you press am now, e dey give you equal size. You go come back am, comot am, press your shift button, come press am, plus don show, right? So plus dis one now, I don add dis two together now. Na im e dey show us say I don click another D19 because I don add plus. I go come do plus again, click dis one, plus again, click dis one until I finish everything. Now e easy to do dis one now, dey do plus, press the next one, plus, press next one. But if imagine again say the number wey you wan do na let's say 1000, 10,000, when you go finish dat one, e go long. So now I go come undo all the thing wey I don do. I go come show you the shortcut. You go come click dis one now, drag am go where you wan make e go. You see as I drag am, press enter. Na our total be dis one. I go bold am so dat e go show say dis one na total. See am, make I do am again. You go come where you wan make the answer dey. You go come here now, you go press equal sign. You go start with equal sign. Because na addition we wan do and addition na sum, you go come press SUM, sum. You see am now, excel don show you. You go come press your tab. As you press tab, excel don show you bracket say you wan do something. You go come click dis one, come drag am go everywhere wey you want. You go come press enter. See our answer. So na the total wey be dis now. Now the quantity of dis product, each one na im be dis now. So we fit come insert am come do multiplication. Dis one now we wan come do multiplication now. Now each of dis bubu dey cost 40,000 and den dey don sell 300 pieces of the bubu. We go come here now, come do equals. You go click on your equal sign again. Press dis one, dis our bracket. You go see bracket for 9. If you click am, na only 9 go show, but to click the bracket, you go click on your shift, come press bracket, right? You go come click dis one wey be the bubu price. You go come press shift and 8. E go show you dat multiplication sign. You come press dis one now, close the bracket, enter. E don show you how much all the bubu wey you sell, how much dem be. So dis person now don sell bubu wey be sey na 1.2 million. So we go come give dis one title, come call am cost total sales, abi. So dis one now na the price of bubu like dis. Now you go come here come click dis one now. As you click dis one now, you go come copy the formula, um you go come copy the formula. Excel dey smart like dat. E don copy the formula, don do everything. But if you no dey sure sey e fit be sey Excel no fit get am o, you don see the price, you don see the number for here. Dis one na 30 million, dis one na 24 million. Okay, make I undo. As we do dis one now, you go do your own again. Put sum, bracket, dis one, multiply by, no be the same thing? So Excel is smart like dat. Come drag am, see am. E don even put all the comma and everything wey we wan put for here now. So we don put am. So we don do multiplication. Na like dis we dey do take do editing for inside Excel. You don learn all the thing wey dey inside, you don learn how to use currency, how to use percentage, how to use comma, how to reduce your increase your decimal and reduce your decimal. We don do am for here now, abi. So now I go drag dis one reach here now. Okay now, so na for here we go stop today. I wan make you go take do your own, practice am, do your own, try everything. In fact, you fit sum dis one, sum dis one, sum dis one, so dat you go know the total for your own. So for the next video, we go come continue dey do the different things wey we fit do. We go continue from styles, insert and everything. We go continue from the next video. See you in my next video. Bye.